everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check a CapCut version. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you just click on the setting icon at the top. Click on it, and for the check CapCut apps version at the bottom, in here you can see a version, and after this, in here you can see this is the version, the CapCut apps, this one. It's so simple, right? So that's how to check a CapCut version. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.